Yes, I to edge this one say Mamenda questions as no so de nkomo kama say etimidi abraya. But you better Kingdom Herbal for say on the Kingdom Garlic Bitters, Kingdom Garlic Capsules, and a new Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules. So I bet just so and a one okay also said do one ankasa de or can she drug lane a whole na betimi akopebi ato or call pharmacy and a chemical and a herbal shop beer. My muso abenya bi atodum. Kingdom Garlic Bitters a boil and improve on your immune system. Na New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules no a member drugs from Kwamwa Hoden. First our numbers were 053614 9961 and 030-393-9987. Now what timini one edding kitawo. Samsung Kel a brand so the Kel 360 toothpaste and a Kel Kiss toothpaste and a Kel Chaco toothpaste. Nina na de ba ko pe jabidi ana body training akesi ni abefo kwanso ana de points am ese tibenya hoden o kwanso kusokra. Dodo nan kasa so safre 05938092227 ana 0246865798 na makao ne krakrakra se ne se wabofra na ona na bia na ode shibia kotron so na the modern bon titufa mass in English no entimi anya ni so a Ultimate Remedial School edi akwanya beto ama wonsa hostel facilities November December so no one be more obano etimi atworo kama ama etimi apase kama so dia ma o hwe Ultimate Remedial School akira kwanya number SSL free ni 0244696911 and 020-789-1004. Bia obi ho musie St Andrews SHS campus so ewo asemfosu anase enkran. Shene so sa enyumeko we adaroma na Monday to Friday ejuada kopim eye ifiada wona so yase okwanso nkoso kra se yemfasa enkomo we embro. Quickly from the Ghana Private Road Transport Union of TUC won the Kratabari upward adjustment on transport fares in accordance with the directive outlined in CLM 3/XF2/Volume 4/154 from the National Secretariat. The National Management instructs all regional secretariats to temporarily suspend the implementation of the proposed 20% upward adjustment in transport fares effective January 24, 2024. The National Management, in collaboration with fellow transport operators, will engage in a stakeholder consultation with the Ministry of Transport on January 23, 2024 to address the matter comprehensively. We kindly request all regional secretariats to adhere to this directive by putting on hold any fare adjustments until after the scheduled meeting with the Ministry of Transport. Additionally, please advise your branches to comply with this directive until further instructions are provided by the National Secretariat. We sincerely apologize for the short notice and appreciate your understanding. And a sign, Goldfred Edubre, General Secretary for the GPRT of TUC Ghana. In the area, who say, I drive a full corner, canano, danom say effective, and ne one in Tumubi, Ashenchadian Tumubi, but Krata idea dances say, Yen Trin so answer, copim say, one name paying for you, Abidi, she, one son, as in common etime dimu every person. She mono, and then get out the Bashan admechna with the ministry, and that's the transport ministry. And I'm sure GRTCC4 will take over the conversation and give us what is expected of us as a Ghana at this year. As we count down to Saturday, Adom, the 27th of this very month, you say the New Patriotic Party, Oko Aye Onaman Yukunuma, and the Shady dance yes, a Miami bi or Honoma, as I say, ono tuaba na one ebijino one name ewo and ye emrashibijum. Inti Saturday, Ujame the chair, 6 to 6. Your election headquarters, Kukrumuti Power, Yadi Bibia, Ebeto Kama Ede Amao, and Nintin Yashas, ye Ebon Komofa, Yenuanim Binimusha, I want to see Mutrimupo, say one person woni si akan na woni gina ewo woni mpeso aso enne adopei ade hye mienu ana mene won ebedi nkita ho de mene ne hye nkomodi na se no mekwa akogina eye odotobiri eye constituency na minua lot ewua mene na hye yenkomo na se lot afishapa
Omahene afenkometu afisese na nkwane ahoden ho
afisese na onso migidi se emse de anamo a utu no watimi enhu faso
Nyankopon Adom afisese no na ya swami in masofna mu esai se odotobiri Badwam Mpensenpensemu no mrahye badwani a ya to abayi ne foforo be hye na duma pase
odotobiri
pepa twan asante mantem
odotobiri
yehiamoa
odotobiri asem na okay
pepa twan odotobiri constituency ye wa asante mantem ye ka Badwam Mpensenpensemu aduanan enson no ho e wa asante mantem mu a ye ne be kwai bo hye baabi ye ne fomna bo hye baabi ye ne Oboase West bo hye baabi ye sanso na danse akrofrom bo hye baabi ene ne Apadenchra West nso bo hye baabi odotobiri pepa twan baabi a me free no Badwam Mpensenpensemu no hwemu a ka meka se ye miensa ehyeche miensa mema ba bidi anafo southern part eye ofri Oboase ebe Kumase na so ofri Kumase ko Oboase no the main road ni so ofri ko bi Begrase Begrase no hana ma me free ena papa nso free Bedwase o san so free Donkwase ti Donkwase no na me call primary school
ni na fall within the constituency
me pa twan ofri anwa kwanta so ofri Kumase ko Oboase a the busiest junction and kwanta eho no shepa ya anwa kwanta eho na onsa benkum ekobekwai Dompase from na eba Cape Coast no betwam se de oba Oboase no the next busiest junction your friend Afuakon kwanta na onsa ni fan ekojakobo ya district capital the next town your friend Homase no ne nhwe animu na opposite direction no na obranch a raw food bi komikro for Begrase.
Okay, so opeso ya mrahye bilani
beba twan
what's the motivation
omahene obia wo nani suadi hunu ena obia nso wo anama opeso tu abrabom constituency na Badwam Mpensenpensemu no enema nkoye yenka se opanyi oteso onye bi obabe bi bema bi bo ameni nyina na emom no yemu bi gidi se a me lot wa me gidi se de abaye no onko no bi nso emeto aso na me mfa mani suadi hunu ene me nhyehye ya megusu a me meye mrahye badwani kura megusu a meye no me mfa emeboa wo
so baby out no what have you identified I was odotobiri constituency o gidi se wo betimi abeboa ama sa esinto no wo ye free ho ana wo pepa dodo na free ho
me ba cho me da se de tie ne se mrahye badwani di bre no o se oye obi a oye rewura ope nante okobopunu na se otefa akon na hwese abre bia no aban a woso ana se o mampanyini ana osoafo na oprade on hono de bebre o de a enya de be yadwuma ye mrahye badwani wo ho no na medika kasa me nkasa onye bi na emum no esinto kakra o baabi o man menye MP ma examples bebre school placement edru so a ye ho bi wo ekra bia se bi abuntu nsu o kobro onankara hia mpendika ne banya be kwai Wesley High banya be kwai SD ebede na obi a maame a sabi enemo mo de ma no nya ska behind dan ama akra na behind dan akra makra na de na che se akra no be ya akra papa ama wonya basabasa o ma mewurawura ma ko hu mpanyifo osefata na ya change di ama wo mo a sabi menyo bi kapra na asempo a otimi kọ saaso ye ho no na nsia mu results ba ya me kokotu sa na mo me kotu suhum MP me kotu nkoko MP me kotu MPs be 6 am no mu nyina ko bom puni mpo a ebi mu kra aboa me ama me ko hu panyina na oso boa me eno da nchen a betimi kọ energy ministry me no ka say street bulbs am wogu edem a me gusu a me che no ebura dwen ntiase so patro so atemase eno achi na nsam ti TV ho na mte se gifek adwumako a omusi telecommunication mask na post bi menka ne sana ahwefo ne atifo ntiase omu ebisisi ICT centers opanya oda gifek ano Mr Prince Fa kanena NCO deputy CEO ema opanyini a owo ho izo ko gifek mi ko hu no because honorable a lot of honorable lot because honorable amantemu a project no mo anya bi odotobiri ko wiase be kwai honorable Joseph Oseusu ne dia okolobia na nsa kan no omukosisi kukufu eno so da nchen a project bebre na medi akira ye nya bi na nsem TV ho na mte se opanyin ba ko aso ye hwe ngomesua asem so okasa Ghana ban no eba be sisi kg e mia bebre na oman so called Dotobri constituency a your 213 villages and communities 16 ahamienu ani dunsia akora tumi nante brofo kwansi ni be enson akora wo kg nsan no tumi akọ school ntimi di akotena say sa kg na aban eba be sisi no menya bi di akọ Dotobri me identify nkurase be emienu sanka omode saka ba kokora akọ me ya menya bi metimi aka mensina hodo amanso adubia munya bi yene manso adubia ebo hye ewo adowa ne kohwi krom side omunya bi bekwa ye kg ni bi so bibie no ye chawa ban mu a Dotobri constituency nya bi ade ara hosam ne say utumi kọ osoani na minister bi office no obusa say hwan na ye omra hye badwani me ba akora busa me sa question no me ba nkomo amenya me studio obusa me nkomo edios hwan na ye omra hye badwani na lot okra na abaye record obeset record a ifi se multimedia ba ya Adom TV ba ye obi oba be pe MP anasa wote so a oba studio
na hwan na ye omra hye badwani
me ba cho na wadaro ma wunim
hwan na ye omra hye
me ba cho e fe no Honorable Emmanuel Akwasi Jamfi
my first time ana
me pa cho there be ni 5th term no about 2004 ko 4 pencil
5th term
me pa cho ni 5th term no we was seeking for seat.
I see. Anyway, minim se eba sa yenuane mo wo yinkuru kumane mo a adesua ya ade a etosin kese pa. Wo kasa mi hu se wo pese o ma adesua pitimi pagya mu ewo ompesa so se ukonya. Ye kasa ede nhihye na ogiri se odi begu akwemama sa bia honom na adesua ho se betima pagya.
Nipa chobe da se yeso akofa sa asembisari aba your secondary schools and senior high schools me no about one person no so ba ko ya Jacobu senior technical ene wo twapia se
okay bo hona Jacobu wo no
me pa Jacobu na district capital ene wo twapia se senior high school me no ka sei be bosumi numunie ena me ko twapia se senior high school ho ebra me nya akwanya ne headmaster ene ne mpanyimfo tena se me re hoye oso na bo but modern onya maide nanso ba school na eye ankrankra dia na kane DC onabo asamo aboti mu rewre mu na ban de nsato so nanso no eba infrastructure classrooms ene ne makeke kan dormitories a eya rehosem enkra no eni dormitories ne senti no omo ewo fie ekwaji dan amomo na omo eba na opanyin na nsan a ebi school a first year sikoyi meka videos a ye dia send me a me the letter call good courses NLA because omo so ebo sisi adan tutu nsuo senka omo enkonko boa bia me guso ene opanyini same yaku edi nkomo ne mpanyifo omo dasa good courses foundation na no nanso me mfesusa edurube bia na wo lo bia behia se wo ye mrahye babiani wo ye DC na ye panyini titiri bu aban mu.
Are you working in collaboration with your MP and I want to do ahode because mentiase and you cannot also say 5th term that's almost about 24 years
me pa twan 5th term there is a 20th this year pa twan
member of parliament no o person o chese sa na monto ya otu ina na enya de no otu sa na monto
o man hin pa twan na make say so otu anka me ko anka headmaster no fan to manim eno mo be school so evidence no ho
but you are raising a lot of issues I won't even can tell me say obi atena persuasion for 20 years sa na ma we na o kan wasem no ono mumu hu ye wa o oba ye na wo hu na person osi amakwai how is that possible and as MP na akobọ esana to wa ma ono aduadua ye na ade na wa akogye ne munyam na fa na se which one is the case
ama me pa cho ntesa me ma hu say me be di nkran ha nyankopon adoma be di nkran ha no me ye rewura ne man kitenkete omo frame a me bo me ma example ba kon okọ ye district wa your police stations mienu a afo akojunction ye district capital Jacobu nansen ena mu se manso adubia sie no mu sisi police stations because be kwai sisi a omanya Ashanti South Police Command a omo hye Kumase force ba region mu a ye kwa kodi be kwai force manso nkran enya police station for 3 chenya police post mi wan so kokura bi afani hia electoral area omo si police station ye personnel kwa no ma ba begum enso afi bia police fan pass out kra no na nya be mienu ne miensa ye different batches eno dan chen frɛ electoral bi apiti so omu so si police station me no ka say e de dani koko shed me to na mo bia say kanyankopon be ma dom na me ni IGP akobo mpunipu na so me kan sam kyerɛw ye be kwa hena na asante mampon hena na asem suta hene ana ofenso hene peso okohu otumfo a enhyɛ da nya den enhyɛ da nya den ma no nemum di kuro bi a so do tubiri peso okohu otumfo a oni tua ye be den enji ahemfo kyina bi didi bi achi me nya tumi me de me nka say honorable ntu na me hu ye we baby amekobi so to no man kan beka so one pi kura ba.
But you have been there who village on for the past 20 years. Are you saying that you cannot point to Adie Potibia enye nsunsuanso papa wo constituency wa member of parliament Yera Jemfi, is that correct?
Ana
etu sa na mo.
Me pacho mint kire yo enema nkitinkiti bo ha me menya MP enso metumi akan kuro be
ensu aye tu
omahene
service school die so apa ye boso eti all these 20 years then na oti kuro ma wo zo ye
me pacho school dan we dey there o MP me nka so won see school dan we see school basic school dan we dey there a obi be hia mo school fees obeboa me meye MP ba sa nyama yo mu gira omahene mitimi ye ka say you see one district one factory Kolobe as 5th term sitting member of parliament Kokolobe Ninya factory eno ne ye say agenda 111 neighboring constituencies omotwa ho ahye nyino bi anya bi Kolobe bra me meye MP enso da bie no ha me sending microphones ka ye bie school tertiary bie nursing fo bie me kan ska nyame adom kakran microphone ma send am omo a eno nti wo ye MP a wo ye me nso me nya MP me ye eno achi microphone si police station ma 14 for so mu si KVIP Miami Chrome the grass, almost kg. Ya bobo cement in kakran no MP definitely. Almost bobo cement. And no, okay, dear broso. Because being an MP no, anya kra common fan kakra beba. Bet me akoto cement. Mimi nyanya for to be enfra ban mu. Meet me ye. Nemo no, say agenda 111. Ana na rodan kwa Akufo do say, osi asupete wo ha ni du baako. Enti ye pepre. Na watena ho ama manso adu bia wo St Martin na grow esum. No masan kwaji bia baka ho. Na watena ho ama oboasefo ewo AGA Health Foundation Mines Hospital kese oboasefo san amangwase government hospital no masan kwaji bia besi dunkwa kwan so no eno na eka ho asem anye
bia oni swafo e kan say member of parliament to say mudi nkomo
oman na menene ntem ye di nkomo but emre kakra ne ni nkomo
wo ye wadwene se opeso ogina se brase medwani
me pa twan ni nkomo me pa twan ni nkomo
enti na dia na okono dia nkomo na abusabisa no
na me kɔ ne ho enso na nye enkomo aye kwa me kɔ ne nkyɛn na nyese ekɔ
because the woka na it's becoming worrying say ade na woka nyina say nye saa na tie na wo kyerɛ say saa na tie a my friend for me bia to enche bia anyway but dem person tie say bere na wo kɔ no ho na onne bo nkomo no na eye kuro no ho mpuntu nkomo na ne bo
me pa chɔ oman me de mi tumira no ma kyerɛsie kane Ghana Education Service Director General Professor Amankwa Boku Amankwa the district director nimpa info ka chem say lot me adwuma national service enti aya posting kakran kakretimi bua the district director of education ka chem say omu hia kyerɛkyerɛ fo bibre pato wutie ama omu aba district nim abɛkyerɛ de esan say obekɔ GHS ba kono na teacher ni ba ko kyerɛ RME no na kyerɛ science ene ade de keke ka ho ena me call papa ne ho last 2 years but so kwa interview ewo radio station ba kono me two car ose me office me call no ka kyerɛ me say hemfa na me ka kyerɛ say me kwa kogina MP no say hemfa ena me so do tobri prof ka kyerɛ me say na ni age esan say ebra owie tete say form 4 say training colleges ahen no ye postu ni ko Amansia Central ye district no na kwa ye no so no obia ama no edan anam say eye me MP ona bu imanu akosi Jemfi papa ene so ye ne ma ne dan dey mu a branch a wa show bra so ye kwatra de enti mabeka sa asem ne de a obeboa emu ho no me call district capital me call me ni ampinya kwanya tena ase aka kire ne say makọ papa ne ho na papa ne esan say eye Amansia Central kra enti no enti fo no kotum ne ko pushi kakra ya nte ho asem eno da nchan a betumi call no ho ka kire say get fund abie scholarship portal tum MPs epepra me kɔ ha me ko hu MPs o ma beji 30 o ma beji 40 e beji slot me no ka say get fund scholarship me kuta 50 slot ama rewre ma me nsa kan ye bie portal ni tum earlier this month ya ma cheche me call round so nyina nra me ko fahia ko bo electoral area people tenten numere so o say krom here ya me ko a me ka kire delegate police station executive say oba ana hu nipa bi our tertiary say nursing college of education say training college say university no obetumi akwa apply enti kane na nam ne ntem ego no bibia onyakwanya medema soto fom na menya hint na say amanebo bia na mana sote ba nipa no ntu hwa na ma ede na ba ya fa ho.
Okay, so lot ewo epese adehia won wo NPP mu odotobiri constituency etina se na mo emane ko gina wona name. The bigger picture is the national election and sana wetima ko gina wona. They say the internal primaries nankasa no New Patriotic Party delegates are more odotobiri. Mo ankasa mo dehia ne mo ba mo ofa se ne mo nana lot ewo ana all press mo betina se na ono so anya akwanya na wadi monim kan ewo emrahye bedwam be come home my monkomo by many lot be twen komo be come home monkomo bra wo frame on 0302 211 701 equals 4 0302 211 701 equals 4 me pese we odotobiri ni dehia wona mpese onya sa akwanya no na otimi me bossa enkomo so we odotobiri ni dehia ebe me de paye se obetimi afrema me abo eyesa enkomowe na maka won so se onyame adoma yedwumadi kase atudi se ensroma megidi se woni adi akira chepa ensroma season 6 ane de bro no onyame yadoma bibia nsankan wiema kwasiada eda yanimi the 28th of this very month ana pa ehonto nyina na fe yasa hwedwumadie na se wokwanso nkosokra ye kan sroma wankasa onim enioma any talents ahodo a yema yemma ni nananom ne adehye no woni peki ede kan adehye sonko ede komanim ewo abrabom ti talents sonko kra na ye be honest ede ama ye pa wontuma nyame adma 28th of this month kwasiada na fe yetimi ama yehu ni de any talents sonko ewo yadehye ni nti ema refi say Ensroma is back. Season number 6 is back. That is Ensroma. But he said the bon komo any lot a potential member of parliament and as a parliamentary candidate for the New Patriotic Party. Yeka said ono odotobiri ana ehon komo ana yedi. Be kan komo no on 0302 211 701 equals 4. Yasaba back. Oti adwuma na opese wo ye na se mrahye bedwan otiase
me pa twan
otiase yi
me pa twan me tiase pa de se me hu fa ho bia no ma ya me hwehwe mu kakra ansana me tu sa na mo no
nti hwan ni mrahye bedwan
ye kam mrahye bedwan a wo hwe ye mra batan constitution na komo dwumadie ne se omokwa akwahye mra eno na constitution ne che omokwa akwahye mra bibia nka ho bio eno ne botaye pa etecha na say your constitution e dey ebu oman no a guide no sana etie.
Maybe that is what your MP is doing basically or shamra of parliament and ekrano I just got to understand it's okay local on a local government
select committee chairman
it is a local government in human omudi enye nsusu so bi hono mana
enye nsusu so bia mame nka samchiro be bosumi numuni Ashanti Regional Youth Organizer the friend Raf a breakfast meeting ama 47 constituency youth organizers no deputies enti onyakwanya to ne nsafre deputy local government minister or MP honorable intim Collins intim akomadan eno panyin be presentation kakra ne kasa mu ni say abanya foto kakra and the developed districts any constituencies no ye besisi market ahodo panyin ni kasa wie ya ye wi adwumadie mi ko bi na me ko ne chen ko bi sa na sa adwumadie na honorable adabo ya ono so ebabi enam ka honorable okay ka district no kan dansia krofrom o kan oboase west o kan oboase east o kan dansia so ka o kan fomena manto odotobiri apanyu no gina na onwenwe ne kakra wan ka hwe mi ko bisa no ye program Beauty Queen Hotel Kumasi Santase mi ko hobi o ko odotobiri constituency enam me ko people tenten fahia kobo suku musubi mako ena sefo mi ko du ba bi nyanwenu no kram sabi mpreduasa mesi na kwada na kuremu ofi sei uko odotobiri constituency district capital yo enkura atwa ho ahia nyina no uhu zoom lion for edazimi ba kokran so ya MP select committee local government ya first time no mines and energy committee chairman and the mines and energy no ya hwe energy no aspect ho na me the aspect ya GMPC chase ya Ghana gas ya Gridco ya Nedco ɛne de ke kan ECG Ghana gas ɛna ɛwɔ fapema ɔmode nkrɔfo ɛkɔ aburukyire.
Okay, but me hwe de agye usubeka ana odo tobiri fo asa wo Ghana da. Agye usumache.
Ya, eja.
Agye usumache.
Ya.
Wadaro ma na ho ye.
Amna ndo me ho ye.
Ba twa asembisa na adwenkyere.
Adwenkyere.
Meet you.
La cho die papa na kan. Ni nyina aye no kore. Oba odu tobiri constituency a. Donkulunu. Suwi akese a ye bu apa kan. Eso bu apa. Since ekuruni bai public toilet yehu bi da ewo ekuru wi mu se market ekuyafo akwafum akopenuane no mo pe ba bi aton kakra no mo so nya kakra bo mo yehu bi da enso e kan enkuru akese ewo do tobiri.
I see. Okay, me that's a buakwa ekamo ho. Ebuakwa.
Aye de ne ebuakwa.
Enye ebuakwa da
bi enye sunyane kwan so. Eno ne ebuakwa, ye de ne ebuakwa. Pa twan ebuakwa.
So ne bo amache.
Da se ado pen so.
Yes sure da se wa gibre free.
Me so fi Jakobu, me titunsuo.
Tunsuo ka.
No my arrest so see the capital ho kra o my rebeho. Rebeho. Nti de ebra ne TV ni so kan nyina no kra Trudeau, Yampabinsi, Trudeau.
I see. All right, okay. So, Miasa, Upaso, Nemekasa, a brainy tear, because of a rap up. Then come on, non pepe, ye pemula. Yebeko, no shebre besisa, as a son upon non kuna, premoto pe besisa, as a sape, no sia, a besisa, and take come to him, a back crossover, live. Now I want it here. No one was a man out the gumuno, Bibiana and the Quanswa echo kama. So, that has been the problem of the constituency. I said, Mushesum still.
Oman na nyoma nkoye. Nyoma de nkoye. Ohwe amamu nkrabata na na say sectors na. Na meka say bambon sam ekuta police station mienu eba enwomasuan so a the secondary schools mienu e wo no ni nyina infrastructure deficit. Baby ankrado amutiri beto akwakoye problem. Obeko school ba ko teacher ni o kire arami ono na kire mass. Osan so ko form to asa na ekoso. Na they had a telecommunication network on my baby area sabedri. Uko kobro, a yashabu electoral area se, uko buntu so electoral area, a ye kente, uko udumutomo, uko a ye yampenika, baby a network in your mancona hongono, a man for near, when you include to be
a man for you,
but a man for near.
Hey, most more, a man for news.
You include the Jones network, when your network not their friend. Enti me ani abrese afi no police station executives no chairman untumi be kan be na otwemi nu atwam say ono de ampeso be influence obi a o otwene ho asin chen o de obi a hye delegate omonkoto abapa Dr. Brian Kasa na bo meye hwe na meka no so be ye first time parliamentary select committee mines and energy Ghana gas hwe astroturf ahodo moye Ghana gas e de nkofo tu kwa GNPC foundation ye ba mu fie nwatwini o Dr. Brian babu no bia ni ho wanya akwanya kosua de wa ma no ne e ya rehosem Oman tibi de kakra me kan sa fi mo gide mapase ekwan bia so no parliamentary change ebodo to be voting party ne so kwa na ekofom ona bo 2004 na bu me no kwose jamfi ebe ye mp no odo ha mu nchemu ade wotwe ene akiri hwe 0.80% ene ode call parliament me no ka say the percentage from 2020 ye vote enyan no about 57.9% ama ndc de kwa na ekosro enti party mpanyufo ye NPP amanyuko ni mpanyifo mfom na nsi fom e wodo to be constituency enya sa na se honorable Jamfi esan community primaries na enya de a ankeka be kosoro amankofo akwakoto aba no na nipa so ankoto aba ama MP a e wo adverse effect e wo ye presidential candidate Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so the results eso. Okay,
so lot the other by parliamentary history in 2000 80%, 2004 82%, 2008 82.7%, 2012 78.2%, 2016 66.1%, 2020 57.4%.
And the Electoral Commission website.
There be you were the Electoral Commission website. I feel now Ubem. I feel now Ubem Electoral Commission website. Okay, so you better say what me free. I am Pesha na and Tempa went to me Abedisa and come with that. I wish you well.
Thank you.
Begin say delegates ni nim de wabɛkɛn no kora ɛwom ɛne tena ne ɔmatena hɔ sɛ de ɔmbɛsi ayɛ nti ɔmbɛdi ne kora ma wo na ɔmode ɔmo nsa nso ataa wɔkyi kokromoti power no yɛda ase lɔtewua ɔpere sɛ mo amwɔ ɛyɛ ɔdotobiri mpɛso aso no bɛtim ne so wɔtim agyina mo anan mu ɛwɔ constituency wakɔ mmarahyɛ badwam yɛkorɔ so akɔ mulaba yɛba Greater Accra region is the next stop yɛkɔ aba well asaba yɛtoa yɛnkɔmmɔ no so a mamenka say and they counted down to the new patriotic party nyame adma memenda wonim sɛ your election headquarters kokromoti power 6 to 6 yɛde bɛbrɔ deɛ bɛkɔ so all the constituencies are moto aba ɛwɔ so yɛkɔ so the ultimate remedial school for us deɛ da ɛyɛ Kel brands and so on the Kel 360 toothpaste Kel case toothpaste and after Kel charcoal toothpaste do don kasa deɛ offer 0596 38092227 and 0246 865798 no apene do don kasa deɛ too so also your kingdom about for the new kingdom ginseng power capsules kingdom garlic bitters and after the CC ma also come on the aba tremendous so aba idwaso open the door there Okaishi drug lane and our first numbers with 0536149961 or 030393987 now we're teaming the one akasa Moses Abo Ayawaso Central a potential parliamentary candidate and on the ticket of the New Patriotic Party is my guest Moses Afishapa
I think go to here. I think
BBI come on.
Very well, BBI come on.
Are you sure?
Very sure by the grace of God.
Who contested and what's he from?
Hey, Sakaya Central Bekumio. Same easy form.
Maybe it's a declaration.
It's a rescue mission in Ayawaso Central. It's a serious
so
rescue.
Let's establish it. Oko.
Omayeni. Me comfort to me na abetina first akasa. Ada Ghana for ne Ayawaso for Ninas.
What is the motivation? Dear na Emma press obe come Rashid.
No, well, first of all, I think there are things I am here as a son of Ayawaso Central. Me feel say me kwa me de beba be ma Ayawaso Central for.
Identify no money be.
Well, mine no Ohia Malamata market, me no kasa. Any good shape. Since I made assemblyman since 2010. Na basis here in so tokra na untimi enko Malamata market. Ebienegu Nima market and Emeno Kasa. Edimu chain Malamata market, Domi market, Edimu chain Malamata market, Kaneshi, Ubie himself first Malamata market, Saubawa, Utmi Duja, Omonyamano Ewofon. But today, Saturday, Grawura Malamata market, Ubekase, Yami Sebi Wako Cemetery. Na Entisa. Na Ushe Panama School. I work Kupimle Panama School. Even facility and kolano toilet facility kura yenibi bebia school kola ebenya bebia easy omu kura challenge edima omu se ewia na otwem wo Panama gata echi kesi hono no bonse kola no free class no makokuto no mu easy omu you go to Alajo school hono muso it's in a bad shape there need a lot of things in Ayawaso Central women empowerment. These are empowerment constituency market for we have to think about them, find a way of engaging them, their problems. And you'll be a mind opis cabibri, will be on a capital kakra etme building, will be on access to who MP no krana. Any problem cry over phone your caller or mind was solving the problem man. Will be cry recommendation. You to know it's all about one side. There are more opportunities in this constituency. Look at the multimedia. Hopefully, say if I engage the youth, I mean, who potential from home. Maybe I may pick one or two. I may baby home management. So I see this guy as a future anti-misramu. Within short times, we build will be your mind. These are things that, as a young guy, I've been in the structure from polling station, youth organizer, polling station chairman, deputy constituency youth organizer, substantive youth organizer, Ayawaso Central, 3 consecutive time assembly member. Now my regional youth organizer 2 consecutive times. Me feel say I've been with the youth, and the youth are lacking a lot of things. Me feel say me ba, me abua about empowerment, banks are my constituency, companies be my constituency. There should be a link between the MP and those things, so that at least you engage them and let them know, say, I'm your MP. Now, bank way, it's me the management akasa. I'm a GDC at least Uber employment now consider about Kwanam, you know, because I'm in Pengu, say BBC na obi enwa me constituency for and I go pay suni and me aso mpeso mundu meja. Oka we a Tony person over a lot of brilliant youth in this constituency as a young boy with scholarship enwa anyhow. Enti nyama bebre a matena se hu se as a product of Ayawaso Central, born and bred in Ayawaso Central, I understand them. Say delegates need 2 minimum ya. Me wo GDA say me boa mo, me wo GDA say me wo ho amomo, and I'll be an MP. Obi abeni me fie, me MP obi abetimi aba me office. Me MP betimi afre me, man for call me return. Me MP me ni me nye dru say oba me ni muntimi ni me nkasa. You can talk to me at any day, any time. I'm going to be a grassroots MP. Beka constituency na boom. Intimidation free. Obi atimi kana adwe.
The constituency is mortity.
Yeah, me see intimidation free o man. They are not happy. Ultimately me call baby me bisa delegates ni say mo amoa ha nipa sen na enim ni MPP. Afi obi ayeti. Obi antimi nkasa. Enti my message, their electoral area welfare is going to be my priority, because it could be you need to establish a welfare. Now, your constituency welfare be anywhere. Sometimes MP, you can be outside the country. A year be the system must work.
But do you understand a human person?
Exactly, I understand.
What you say? Because what free actually on Abasa from grassroots, assembly, regional youth, assemblyman, blah blah blah. Now they jump up. You tell me two things. You are contesting your, in quote, your godfather in a way. In the constituency,
in a way,
in a way. So what I say, in a way, on your godfather, but in a way,
yeah. I agree.
In a way, they told to be able to say, "What ti obi a oye mercy bigga, what ti the human as ye pa."
Omayene, emra na mikoshe. Na emra na okoshe no. You are also leading a constituency. That their priority.
It's your priority.
It's my priority. And there is a lot in Parliament. You serve committees. Now, if you are a smart MP, when you become a member of Parliament, it means that we are on mining in our assets. And as a member of Parliament, utimi ko bibia e ko lobby nyama bebre edima. And will be better as no ka say me dwuma ye me ko hye mrape. It means you don't know what exactly you are doing. Apart from Emrana or Kwakoshen, the people have voted for you to tell them a lot of things. So, me lobby. In terms of school asema make away, your funds be a common fund in Yamabi, wait me there other things. But apart from that, you have to be someone who know how to lobby. I'll bet me nanti ako places, ako opportunity there ediaba. This is a scholarship of mine. Meant to be in casa me angasa me founder, met me amu be a scholarship. But I meet me 2 minutes a scholarship secretariat. Now me ko share CEO na me catch and say, "Oni pa be say 4-3. Charlie Jack, obetima aboam 1 or 2 things. Omo slaughter is part of empowerment. Enti Parliament na dia, uko shemra, uko your loss, uko kasa, uko ka dia, uko constituency epe bia, or some of the rules, some of the development. But apart from that, you should also think outside the box.
When they say you are the bad boy of the constituency, as you say,
well, I don't know where this is coming from.
You're a bad boy of the constituency.
Many a dream.
When you are, that's the bad boy of our constituency. As you say,
well, Obiani understanding. Send me a very. Oh, you're saying a near dean or your Bema, and then election waiting for a Kosuaba constituency with you. And easy with the likes of your Papa Ajiri Brancy, are you go to Titus Grover?
But that is a norm when elections is coming.
No, but it's a constituency election.
That is a norm because now for in NDC, I also had to go to personal friends that I know ekodi omo ho dance in NPP obo na me start kiti in fact me jengi we o man hene kwabena sante obo na yeye it is otu anamon bi na onimu gidie na ogidi se me so me ko bo na wo mi wo a eno na say cry
we juma no different but your council of state member se bibi ba ono betina mu asesi asem no
diri kwa so ba obi
your papa you coach. You understand? Titus Grover, former MP. Now the end of the day, we say a former from Kwao. Fusini is a former MP. Ebenezer Nati, former MP. Titus Grover, former MP. Indirectly, they are forming former MPs association. Until Ombako count, no my former. But me and Bomi who, and Mama who send me your payment.
So what is the message out of the constituency? The Moses Abo, you choose over. The Greater Accra Minister who happens to be the MP.
Yes, for the delegates, it's about their welfare.
Delegates welfare.
Delegates welfare because omono betuaba, ama wabejina ediama party na constituency. So you have to think about their welfare first. That should be your priority. Now welfare no, it's not about uanka so kopiska kese diamam. It's about ubeye who available to them. Me can be say yamba no bebre. They want some capital to establish themselves.
A J4 man.
J4. Every word delegates. Ye youth no be. Obi wa onuma open travel opportunity. And metiminya slot ba kumyon di mobi. Na ikuo no metimi ka okwa na isiu ya also brand and befe ba ma. Within 4 years you have established some of the youth in the constituency. Apart from that, my mom says I'm not going to think about only a buying job opportunity pay, but I would think about outside the box, because when you are a smart MP, you can get other opportunity for your constituency. Now I will be available for them. Me will be on bet me aba me fee any day, anytime. Me will be a meka omu abomu. Me will be on to me beka will be asem and mommy say we or you see. Ubeka obi asem na enye corrector kan hu se me friend pano na ma bisa no ewoni ti ama delegates na anya gidie bi ana mo hu se me nom na start here bebre me nom na start here as a police station omo hu me se me yomu de na me ba amfa me amba na mo yewo mu ha.
Okay, so 0302 211701 equity 4 Ayawaso Central, a potential member of parliament, Moses Abo. Dodra friend of bad boy, and that's why I have a difficulty in understanding bad boys. 0302 211701 equity a year 3. Mr. About the constituency, any assembly sebi ananchire movie and as a bia adwenchire bia obiano na odia bre. Me count say ultimate remedial school ekoso kaw say any sebi obofra no cultural sorry no. Ana ba community bi sinto ba wa kwanya kese pa abeda ho ede amawo wona chire courses ni na enti this is one unique opportunity so betimi dia ko na wona bo ama onso onya ntiti ama obana toa nenim die so wono suku no ewo St Andrews SHS campus so asinfo su ene enkrai for one wo 0244696911 and 020 7891004. So na because of Kyle also say Kale brands at the a range of toothpaste na by your Kale 360 no and your Kale Kids toothpaste and your Kale Charcoal toothpaste. Ni na anke mfo no the ACS no e ma na honde okwanso koso the man kan so etime fiu na ma aporo sinam na efita aka ma no ni na hono. O jabidie ana ebika na bidie ana e de body tree akansi ani abai for kwaso and ye didi juma kwaso koso tikope bito Kale brands of toothpaste na be bo kwaso koso. Number from the 0593809227 or 0246865798. Ya kwa omano so quickly 0302 211701 equity 4 no timi de wadwen trade abai machi apom ti say
Pacho nyamia mo ye pa.
Hello good morning apom ti say
Pacho nyamia mo ye pa.
Oh ye de nyamia say what are my friends say now can say free
Pacho within the can say free of what?
Mesrawa, man, I wouldn't come by and Mr. Freya,
Oh, sorry.
Mama Cognac, Mr. Forgot to blame me.
Okay, Patrick, with you.
So, no, Penacobo, also now, both Nacobo, the only consistency while you're on a night or now, I'm yet could be a point to be a someone who said a kubuno. And yet, until you get around, ready, you get not my sort of good years by so no mind, and that man now about it needed by a sermon in 7 years number. If I'm a show or more, a man, how can I maintain a talent? You're making a canon.
Yeah, that's it. Young call Manaso, you know about Cote, Ewa Manaso. You know about my chain, I point to say.
Nyankopon adumo me hoye na mo so e.
Oh, nyame adom. You didn't kind of mention and capture. I say, Eddie Cote.
Me pa cho e comfort Owusu Cote.
Comfort Owusu Cote. All right. Comfort, Patrick, you.
Me catch honorable motive about say. Onyire no ho. Afi so nyame nhira no. Nyuma pa o de ba ayawa so center. Ono anyame ni mie kwan to manumrem. Ontutu na na mo so sisi. Ni obia besu bia no enye kwa na bi so ade bu ye kese nti awade mani mrem the delegate for nyina so say awu aya wa so central ha say omo koto aba na e dade du hono mo koto aba no mo nto aba pa omo nto ma honorable notice abo order number 3 o wa sie wa na nyama papa o peso obere ma aya wa so no otimi meye
all right
na ye wade o ye
Patrick, that's a better friend you chat to because of time. Kwakumache. Oh, unfortunately, Kwaku Fache Moses didn't say medicha. Happiest birthday from your mom Jennifer Pierre, your siblings Anna Opapa Albert Baini. May this additional year bring you additional blessings, strength, happiness, peace of mind, and greatness. We love you, Dixon Kwabna Opon. Moses Patrick Brenity, just briefly, near wrap up.
My name is any opportunity out there, mammy. The church, all the delegates said they may buy, maybe catch them. I'm still committed to push the youth agenda and women empowerment. Their welfare is my priority. No amount of words should change their mind. Since Omayo margin, Omonyo margin, they make an say, and this nipa, or you would you because battalion so umbe ne delegates beka sana. I am only Moses Abo. Me nom ne ejuma. Me nkofo obi free abonte. And the victory ne ba me nom de enebe benefit. Me chia ni ama ajo alajo chief. Me chia honorable Shekai Sikwe. Me chia all opinion leaders in the constituency. Say na me share nyina na Saturday enkunimdi ebe die. Na Monday, Masabet Naha, Amanda Biase.
Right, Biase. We are counting down. Don't forget, this is your election headquarters, Kokromoti Power. Moisabo, we wish you all the best.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.